Hi everyone! In today's video, tuna salad. I am Paula Romero and I'm gonna share with you simple ways to cook good food. Tuna salad is very light and fresh comfort food and made with simple ingredients. I'm gonna show you how I like it. We're gonna start with the tuna, some chopped celery, and chopped black olives. Next, some Greek yogurt, lemon juice, some salt and pepper. We're gonna stir this all together. We're gonna dress the salad with a very simple lemon olive oil vinaigrette. This tuna salad is very versatile. You can serve them over greens or as a tuna salad sandwich. It goes very, very well. This is the perfect healthy meal. Nice carbs from the veggies, from the salad, the crunchiness from the crisp romaine lettuce, and the combination of flavors from this tuna salad with the saltiness of the black olives, the crunchiness from the celery, and the delicious taste of tuna makes it amazing, an amazing salad. So good! And also, if you prefer, you can have it as a dip. Please, if you like this video, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and I see you next time.